Biomolecules. Introduction. Structure and function of different cell constituents, chemicals and their arrangements and properties. Chemicals or molecules present in the living organism are known as biomolecules. Definition: a biomolecule or biological molecule is a loosely used term for molecules present in organisms that are essential to one or more typically biological processes. Discovery of biomolecules. German chemist Emil has large attribution for biomolecule. Emil Fischer. For this achievement he received Nobel Prize 60 years ago. Explanation: biomolecules. Bio itself represents life. Life is an array of functions performed by a living organism. These functions can be internal, physiology; external, behavior. Both these behavior can be explained on physiochemical basis. Do you know? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen constitute 97.7% of biomolecules. Only carbon constitute 50% of biomolecules. So according to elementary biology, carbon-containing chemicals and molecules that are involved in metabolic process of living organism are known as biomolecules. Example: carbon compounds like nucleic acid, carbohydrate, lipids and protein. Study of chemical makeup, changes in structure of living matter that takes place within them is called as biochemistry. The collection of sum total of different types of biomolecules, compounds and ions present in a cell is called as cellular pool. According to Oxford Quick Reference, biomolecule is any molecule that is involved in the maintenance and metabolic processes of living organism. In 2005, famous biochemistry researcher Lehening et al. Gave a clear definition of biomolecules. It is described at his book, Principles of Biochemistry. Biomolecules are organic compounds normally present as essential components of living organism. Entire collection of biomolecules and metabolites is called metablome. Detailed study of difference between biomolecule and metabolite will available on next video. Keep tuned. Subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notification of new video. Bye, we will meet at next video.